All right, time to make a pinhole camera. We're going to start by making the top. Well, actually, it's the base to the camera. And maybe you'll see why in a little bit. So what I'm going to do is select Simple Box. You can see it's got a lid on it. We don't want a lid, so we're going to select Open. Our width is going to be 4.1 inches, and our depth is going to be 5.1 inches. And our height is going to be 2 inches. Now, we're going to fit a box inside this that's the main part of the camera. And so we're going to set this to the inside diameter. That's critical. So it's 4.1 inches on the inside by 5.1 by 2 inches high. All right. Our material thickness, this is important, and we're going to actually set a custom, and it is 0.198. So decimal 198 inches. It's almost 0.2, but 0.198 should give us pretty much exact dimensions. We're going to set, it may come as flat. We're going to set it to finger, and I like these. We've got one on the horizontal or the vertical, and we've got 3 or 4 on the side. That's fine. I'll just leave the default. I mean, you can manipulate this if you want to and see what it looks like, but I kind of like the default. It looks fine for me. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is go download box plans, and we're going to see that there's some issues here when we try to download them. First of all, the panel labels, we're going to disable those. Okay, next we're going to go to kerf and corner compensation, and this is very important. This is the width of the blade. Now normally we use kerf in terms of woodworking, where we look at the saw blade, and if we want to compensate for that to make sure that these joints fit nice and tightly together, we've got to subtract half of the width of the blade. There's not much of a width to a laser beam, but there still is. It still does have a width, and we're going to set this to 0.00. Let's see if it'll let me. Kerf, there we go. 0.0027. All right, and then we're going to go download SVG. Okay, so it's box 5 over here. I've clicked that. I've got it waiting, ready to go. And the next step I'm going to do is open up Lightburn. And I'm simply going to drag this in, box5.svg. There's a few steps we have to go through, though, because we're not quite ready to burn yet. Or to cut it. The first thing we're going to do is I want to put a name on this. So I'm going to put my name on here. And let's see. I'm just going to go to right there, click, and type my name. Okay, I'll go up here, drag that, and then make this just a little bit smaller. That's probably good, something like that. Okay, 20 and 70 is the right settings for a line. The name is by default is set to fill. We definitely don't want to cut that. We don't want to put holes in the camera. So let's see how this is going to look. And it's not showing up. That's because it's not outputting. So let's see what we got there. Okay, that's good. We could actually put this to line 325. We'll just write the name. It'll go a little bit quicker that way. It's only going to cut in 2 minutes, 27 seconds. If we leave that to fill, you'll see these fills take considerably more time. It's going to be, 3 minutes, 14. That's not bad. Okay, well, maybe I will just leave it like that then. I might make it a bit smaller. And you put that in the middle somewhere, and we're good. All we got to do is save this. Make sure you save it in a place where you can find it. And then once you've saved it, go to that folder and upload it to your Google Drive. The reason you want to do that is so that you can find it once you get onto the computer that's hooked up to the laser cutter. All right, I think that's everything. Over and out.